Alright, I need all voices up. You shouldn't be doing anything on your laptop yet. Alright guys, we are about to transition to the floor. Let's go over some expectations. What are the expectations for transitioning to the floor? Alicia, tell me one.
First, you have to go to the floor quietly.
Alright, quietly. Tyson.
Second,
Crisscross applesauce. Sandika.
no talking on the floor.
No talking on the floor. This side of the room. Let's try it. Very good, this side of the room. Let's see if this side of the room can do just as well. Remember the expectations. If you're not following them right now, you need to change it. Alright guys, so on Friday in math, we worked on subtraction with a missing part word problems. Today our objective, everyone turn your head to the cupboard, is I will learn how to solve subtraction comparison word problems by using place value, number line, compensation, or compatible number strategies. So what we're going to do to get started, I'm going to put a picture. This is called a notice and wonder. What I want you to do is when I put this picture up, I want you to think to yourself, what are some things that you notice or see in this picture? Remember, this is to yourself, so you should not be talking. I should not hear your voice. This is in your head. Alright, let's share. Raise your hand. Tell me one thing that you notice or you see. Olivia, what's one thing?
I see like 5 orange Skittles.
Okay, you see 5 orange Skittles.
And this is so bad.
Okay. Keep it to one thing. If you're shouting out right now, you're not following expectations. Raise your hand. So one thing, 5 orange Skittles. What's something else? Santi?
6 yellow
What are some other things? You saw the picture before. Sandika?
There's
3. What color?
green.
Green. 3 green Skittles. Chloe, what else? What else do you see? Okay, so there's a total of 24 Skittles. I'm just gonna say S for Skittles, short for Skittles. Libby,
There's 2 bags of Skittles.
there's 2 bags of Skittles. Aiden?
There's 7 red Skittles.
7 red Skittles.
No, 7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 red Skittles. Did we go over all the colors? Okay, so let's okay, listen. Let's think of some other things besides color of the Skittle, colors of the Skittles. What else do you notice? Do you know that? So let's move to this. So we noticed a lot of different things. Now what I want you to do is I want you to think of some wonders. So what you're curious about. So go ahead and turn to a partner and do that now. Discuss what you're wondering. And 1. Remember the expectations for the floor. When I am talking, you are not talking until you are called on. Alright, so what are some things that we are wondering or we are curious about? Parker? Alright. If both bags are full. Put your hand down if I've already called on you. So for this one, if I called on you, put your hand down. Miranda? Say that again. Guys, worry about yourself. So why they're called Skittles? Again, I should not hear any talking unless you are called on. So she's wondering why they are called Skittles. Okay, Cameron? Why, who's eating them? Or who's eating them?
Miss McGuire. I already had a question.
Guys, wait till I call on you. Adelie? Did y'all hear what she said?
No.
She said she's wondering if there's more Skittles in the bag, in the 2 bags, than what are on the table.
Like, I don't know how much in the bag.
Okay, let's do one more. If you have not shared yet. Alicia.
I wonder why there's one there's a white line. On the second flag scale, there isn't a white line.
So why is there not a line on both?
It's just a white line on it. Yeah, just a reflection.
Alright, guys. Do not shout out. If you do not off the floor, you should not be talking. Guys, there a white line on one side. Hands down. So actually today we are going to be working with, we're going to focus on wonders and wonders. And someone actually mentioned the one that we're going to be focusing on today. So the one that we are going to be focusing on is this one right here. If there are more Skittles in the bag or on the table.
Good job, Natalie.
Very good. So, listen. Aiden, on your pockets, please. I need your attention. Everyone's eyes should be on me. Thank you. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to work on class flow. Everyone should be logged in. I will wait. I will wait. So we're all going to be working on the same assignment. So just like we did a few weeks ago, I'm going to send you an assignment and you're going to work on it with the person that is sitting next to you at your table. So you're going to be answering this question. It says, Miss McGuire poured out 24 Skittles on her table. There are 15 more in the bags. How many more are on the table? If you need to, I have supplied manipulatives on each table if you need to use those. But I need you guys to use one of the strategies that you have been working on last week and the week prior to that. So that can be place value, that can be number line, conversation, compatible. You need to choose one. If you and your partner cannot decide, I need all eyes on me. If you and your partner cannot decide on one strategy, if you want to use two different strategies, use one of the strategies, and then if you want to justify your answer, you can use that second one. So I shouldn't see anyone fighting over which strategy to use. Just choose one. If you want to use another one, just use that other one to justify your answer. Any questions? Alicia, listen because she may have the same question as you. So there's 24 Skittles on the table. There are 15 more in the bags. How many more are on the table? That is for you to figure out using your strategy.
So it's like you're trying to find 15 all the way to 20.
So this is for you to figure out with your partner. This is the question. You're going to have the same question. Olivia. Guys, listen. This is the same thing that you're going to get. You have to click on the pin at the bottom to be able to write. So you're going to be writing and showing your strategy underneath this question. Okay? Any questions? You're working on this with your partner. What are the expectations for working with a partner? Austin?
When we talk about what you need.
Stay on task. Yes. What's another expectation to follow? Libby? Say that again. Work with your partner. Are you doing all of the work? No. You need to split the work evenly. One person should not be working on this by themselves. You need to work together. Hands down. So we are about to transition again, so we need to do that quietly, and we need to get back to our seats as quickly as possible, walking. Stand up and walk.